Welcome to our channel. Today, let's practice English conversation for immigration process. Let's get started.
Immigration officer. Good evening, passport please.
Passenger. Good evening, here you go.
Immigration officer. Thank you, what's the purpose of your visit?
Passenger. I'm here on holiday.
Immigration officer. How long will you be staying?
Passenger. I'll be staying here for just 1 week.
Immigration officer. Where will you be staying?
Passenger. I'll be staying at the Central Park Hotel.
Immigration officer. Do you have a return ticket?
Passenger. Yes, I've booked a flight back for next Saturday. Would you like to see it?
Immigration officer. Yes, please, thank you. Now, please place your right hand on the scanner for fingerprinting.
Passenger. Okay.
Immigration officer. Thank you. Now look directly at the camera for a photo.
Passenger. All right.
Immigration officer. Perfect. Have you visited this country before?
Passenger. No, I haven't. This is my first time.
Immigration officer. Do you have anything to declare?
Passenger. No, I don't.
Immigration officer. All right, your documents are in order. Welcome and enjoy your stay.
Passenger. Thank you very much.
Are you ready to answer some questions? Let's do it.
Now is the time for questions. There will be 6 questions in total. Question 1. Is the passenger going through the immigration process in the morning? Question 2. Is this his 3rd visit to the country? Question 3. Will he be staying in the country for 1 year? Question 4. Where will he be staying? Question 5. How long will he be staying in the country? Question 6. What's the purpose of his visit? Now is the questions with subtitles and the answers. Question 1. Is the passenger going through the immigration process in the morning?
No, he isn't. He's going through the immigration process in the evening.
Question 2. Is this his 3rd visit to the country?
No, it's not. This is his first visit to the country.
Question 3. Will he be staying in the country for 1 year?
No, he won't. He'll be staying in the country for a week.
Question 4. Where will he be staying?
He'll be staying at the Central Park Hotel.
Question 5. How long will he be staying in the country?
He'll be staying in the country for 1 week.
Question 6. What's the purpose of his visit?
The purpose of his visit is for holidays.
Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next videos.